Hello everyone! Thank you so much for coming back to my channel again. Today, we're diving into another fresh video where I'll be sharing the latest Roblox Rivals codes and complete strategy guide for 2026. In this video, based on the newest 2026 update, I've gathered all the currently active Rivals codes that are still working in the game right now. Every single code you'll see here has been personally checked and verified, so you can use them with confidence. To make everything simple and clear for you, I've organized all the working codes in a neat and easy-to-follow format, so you can quickly see them and redeem them without any confusion or mistakes. As many of you already know, with each new update, some old codes stop working. But don't worry, there are still several powerful reward codes available, and some of them give really useful in-game items and bonuses. So I highly recommend that you watch this video until the very end, because you don't want to miss any of these important codes. If you skip ahead or leave early, you might miss a code that could give you valuable rewards. So make sure to stay with me until the last part of the video. Before we jump into the full code list, let me quickly tell you about a special Rivals giveaway event that I'm hosting. This giveaway is only for viewers of this video, and a few lucky winners will be randomly selected to receive any giftable in-game item or reward of their choice. Joining is super easy. First, like this video. Second, subscribe to the channel. Third, comment your Roblox username below. And finally, watch this video all the way to the end. One important note, if you don't watch the full video, it may be difficult to verify your participation, and you might not be included in the giveaway selection. So please make sure you complete all the steps properly. Alright, that's everything for the intro. Now let's get started. From here, I'll first show you how to redeem Rivals codes step by step, and then we'll go through all the latest working codes for 2026 one by one. All of the codes in this video have been tested in 2026 and confirmed to be working at the time of recording. To redeem the codes, open the shop menu at the bottom of your screen. Go to More Codes. Then enter each code exactly as shown in the video. Make sure to use the correct uppercase and lowercase letters. You can redeem the codes in any order, since the order does not affect the rewards. Now then, let's go ahead and check out all the newest and currently active Rivals codes one by one.